5G technology represents one of the most significant advancements in communication, with the potential to transform industries, power smart cities, and enable innovations like autonomous vehicles and remote surgeries. But with this new era of connectivity come new security challenges. In this video, we'll dive into how 5G works, the key innovations that set it apart from 4G, and the pressing security concerns we need to address. At its core, 5G builds on the foundation of mobile networks, but introduces several key innovations that distinguish it from 4G. The first is higher frequencies and millimeter waves. These high-frequency bands, above 24 GHz, allow for greater bandwidth, enabling gigabit-level download speeds. This is essential for applications like augmented reality, virtual reality, and real-time video streaming. Another major feature of 5G is its ability to support massive device connectivity. With the capacity to handle up to 1 million devices per square kilometer, 5G networks are primed to power smart cities and the Internet of Things. Additionally, 5G introduces ultra-low latency, reducing response times to as low as 1 millisecond, which is critical for self-driving cars, industrial automation, and telemedicine. 5G also introduces a new concept called network slicing. This allows operators to create multiple virtual networks within a single physical infrastructure. For example, a hospital can have a dedicated slice for its medical equipment, while a city can have another slice for managing traffic systems. Each slice can be customized for different needs in terms of speed, latency, and security, making 5G extremely versatile. With all these advancements, the question arises, how secure is 5G? While 5G brings stronger encryption protocols, such as 256-bit encryption and mutual authentication to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks, it also introduces new vulnerabilities. For instance, the sheer number of connected devices, particularly IoT devices, creates more attack surfaces. Many of these devices lack sufficient built-in security features, making them easy targets for cyber attacks. One of the biggest challenges in 5G security is the shift to distributed networks and edge computing. Unlike 4G, where data processing is centralized, 5G moves much of this processing to the edge of the network to reduce latency. While this improves performance, it also creates more points that could be compromised by cyber attacks. Another major concern is supply chain vulnerabilities. 5G relies on a complex network of hardware and software vendors, making it possible for compromised equipment or state-sponsored actors to introduce security risks during deployment. As 5G connects billions of IoT devices, IoT security becomes a top priority. Many IoT devices lack adequate security measures, making them prime targets for attackers. Once compromised, these devices can be used to launch distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks or infiltrate networks, further compromising the 5G ecosystem. Despite these challenges, improvements are already underway to bolster 5G security. One of the most promising advancements is the adoption of zero-trust security models, where no device or user is trusted by default. Every interaction is verified, authorized, and monitored, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access. AI-powered threat detection will also play a critical role in enhancing 5G security. By analyzing vast amounts of network traffic data in real time, AI can identify and respond to threats much faster than traditional methods. Looking to the future, we'll also need to prepare for the rise of quantum computing, which could compromise even the strongest encryption methods. Researchers are already working on post-quantum cryptography, which will ensure that 5G networks remain secure even in the face of quantum-based attacks. Additionally, stricter IoT security standards are being developed, to ensure that IoT devices connecting to 5G networks have built-in protections, such as mandatory encryption and regular software updates. 5G is more than just faster speeds. It's a technological leap that will redefine industries and power the innovations of tomorrow. However, securing 5G is crucial to ensure that we can fully realize its potential. By adopting zero-trust architectures, utilizing AI-driven threat detection, and preparing for future quantum threats, we can build resilient, secure 5G networks that safely guide us into the next digital era.